all know that water is fresh, it is pure, and it freshens up our skin and improves our digestive system. But on the other hand, soda has more ingredients, more flavor, more taste, and even more sugar that makes us happy. We all have a moment when a waiter comes to us and asks us if we want water or soda. We're like, water or soda? Water or soda? We get so confused. So we have to think if we want to be healthy or not. So in my opinion, I think water is the best choice. So here are the reasons why. These days, soda has become very common in lunch, parties, dinners, or even anywhere where they serve beverages. Side effects of drinking soda just extend to every organ in your body. So what will happen if you cut soda from your diet? Drinking soda on an everyday basis increases high blood pressure. Long-term effects of soda can be pretty severe on your brain. Bones disorder, weakening of the bones. Bone fractures are also common. Drinking soda leads to kidney diseases or complete kidney failure. No doubt, soda gives you a boost to make it to the end of the day. But cutting soda out of your diet will drastically improve the function of your brain and will protect you from serious memory conditions in the long term. The less soda you drink, the more healthy you are, the more stronger your bones are. Some of the benefits of drinking water are weight loss. It makes your skin fresh and clear, and it prevents aging. So if you want to avoid diseases of every organ in your body, you should cut down soda and try water instead. Just think of how fortunate we are. Why don't we drink water when we have abundance of water? Just think of the places where people don't have water to drink. I just shared my thoughts of drinking water and soda. I don't know why, it just popped in my head to make this video. So, subscribe to the channel and smash the like button for more amazing videos. Thanks for watching. Bye! Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Hit the bell icon to get our latest videos.